Welcome everyone, DIY enthusiasts and lovers of successful projects. Today, I am going to talk to you about a revolutionary tool that will transform your experience with the Ryobi V1 angle grinder. Click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The Ryobi nail grinder is the perfect ally for all DIY enthusiasts, whether they are beginners or experts. Its versatility, ease of use, and enhanced safety make it the ideal tool for those seeking performance and practicality in their daily projects. Imagine a lightweight, powerful, and versatile grinder ready to accompany you in all your DIY projects. The Ryobi is much more than just a tool. It is a tailored solution to meet all your everyday needs. And guess what? You can own the Ryobi grinder with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. As soon as you hold it in your hands, you feel the difference. The bi-material grip zone auxiliary handle offers optimal comfort and exceptional control, whether you are cutting, grinding, or shaping. This grinder is designed to make your work smoother, more precise, and more enjoyable. What truly sets it apart is its versatility. Imagine a single type of battery powering over 200 tools. Yes, you heard that, right, 200 tools. Thanks to the V1 concept, the battery of the Ryobi grinder is compatible with a whole range of tools, from DIY to gardening. Say goodbye to bulky cords and batteries that never last long enough. Don't miss the opportunity to click the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price to revolutionize your daily life. But that's not all. The Ryobi grinder is equipped with enhanced safety features to provide you with complete peace of mind. The double safety switch prevents any accidental startup, while the adjustable safety guard and anti-reverse torque protection ensure safe and secure use. Changing the wheel is child's play. With the spindle lock system, there's no need to panic. Everything is designed to simplify your experience. And with the 3-year warranty on the tools and batteries, you have the assurance of a lasting investment. Now, imagine accomplishing your projects with ease, precision, and comfort. The Ryobi grinder offers you all this and much more. Its compact design, lightweight, and power make it the ideal tool for all your DIY tasks, from cutting metal to handling various materials. And the best part is that this grinder is available at the best price. By clicking the link in the description, you will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Stop wasting time with tools that limit you. Choose efficiency and freedom with the Ryobi angle grinder. So, are you ready to take your DIY projects to the next level? Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Exceptional versatility. The Ryobi grinder offers unmatched versatility, ideal for a variety of DIY projects. Advantage number 2. Battery compatibility. Its V1 concept allows powering over 200 tools with a single battery, offering unmatched flexibility. Advantage number 3. Ease of use. The grip zone handle and the auxiliary handle ensure a firm grip, optimal comfort, and exceptional control. Advantage number 4. Enhanced safety. The double safety switch, the adjustable safety guard, and the anti-reverse torque protection ensure safe and calm usage. Advantage number 5. Ease of maintenance. The spindle lock system makes changing the wheel easy, making tool maintenance simple and quick. Now let's move on to the first disadvantage. Weight. Weighing 4.604 kg, it may be slightly heavier than other models on the market. Disadvantage number 2. Requires a battery. The model is battery powered, which may require additional planning to ensure it is always ready for use. To discover this technological marvel for yourself, go to the description and click on the link. Order now to take advantage of the best price, learn more about its exceptional features, and check out the thousands of enthusiastic customer reviews. Don't wait any longer. Transform your way of working with the Ryobi V1 angle grinder. Thank you for your attention, your time, and your patience and understanding. And see you soon.